Ever wanted to watch that important video from your Dropbox, even without Wi-Fi or cellular data on your iPhone? Today, I'll show you exactly how to save those video files directly to your device for easy offline access. First things first, open your Dropbox app on your iPhone, navigate to the folder where your desired video is stored. Go ahead and tap on the video file to open it within the Dropbox app. Once the video is playing, look for the three-dot menu icon. This is usually located in the top or bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on those three dots to reveal more options. A menu will appear with several actions. You're looking for an option that says Save to Device, or something similar. It might also be labeled as Export or Download. Tap on that Save to Device option. Your iPhone will then begin downloading the video from Dropbox and saving it directly to your phone's local storage. You might see a progress indicator or a brief notification confirming the download. To confirm it's saved, open your iPhone's Photos app. You should find the video there, ready for you to watch anytime, anywhere, without needing an internet connection. And that's it. You've successfully saved a video from Dropbox to your iPhone. This is perfect for long flights, commutes, or anytime you want to ensure you have access to your important media. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful iPhone and Dropbox tips.